Hello students, we are going to start chapter 12 Friction class 8. To understand friction, see this activity. Gently push a book on a table. You observe that it stops after moving some distance. Repeat this activity pushing the book from the opposite direction. Does the book stop this time? 2. Can you think of an explanation? Can we say that a force must be acting on the book opposing its motion? This force is called the force of friction. So, we will define the friction like this. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. It acts on both the surface and depend on the nature of surface in contact. For the friction, two surfaces are essential. Factors affecting friction. First one is friction depend on the nature of surface in contact. This diagram shows the pencil shell covers different distances on different surfaces. This surface is smooth. Pencil shell covers more distance. This surface is rough. So pencil shell cover less distance. Second one is for a given pair of surfaces, friction depends upon the state of smoothness of those surfaces. Friction never zero. On a smooth surface, there are some minute pores are present. These pores are called irregularities. Friction is caused by the irregularities on two surfaces in contact. Each those surfaces which appear very smooth have a large number of minute irregularities on them. Irregularities on the two surfaces lock into one another. When we attempt to move any surface, we have to apply a force to overcome interlocking. On rough surface, there are a larger number of irregularities, so the force of friction is greater if the surface is if a rough surface is involved. This diagram shows a boy fall down when he steps on banana peel because banana is a smooth surface. It is difficult to walk on a soft floor because or banana peel because layer of soap makes floor smooth. The coating of soap reduces the friction and the foot cannot make a proper grip on the floor and it starts getting to slip on the floor. Friction depends on how hard the two surfaces press together. We see that the friction is caused by the interlocking of irregularities in the two surfaces. It is obvious that the force of friction will increase if the two surfaces are pressed harder. You can experience it by dragging a mat when nobody is sitting on it and when a person is sitting on it. Types of friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction, fluid friction. What is static friction? Force of friction acting on the object when it is not moving. This friction acts on object when it is in a rest condition. What is sliding friction? Force of friction acting on the object when it slides on another surface. This diagram is showing you have to push on the box to keep it moving. When it is in rest condition, then the friction will be static friction. When this box is moving, then the friction will be sliding friction. The sliding friction is slightly smaller than the static friction. When the box starts sliding, the contact point on its surface do not get enough time to lock into the contact point on the floor. So, the sliding friction is slightly smaller than the static friction, and you find it somewhat easier to move the box already in motion than to get it start. Rolling friction. You must have seen attaches and other pieces of luggage fitted with rollers. Even a child can pull such pieces of luggage. So, we will define the rolling friction like this. When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction. Rolling reduces friction. This diagram is showing motion of the books on rollers. Since the rolling friction is smaller than the sliding friction, sliding is replaced in most machines by rolling by the use of ball bearing. What is a ball bearing? Ball bearing is an instrument that reduce friction in some machines such as ceiling fans, bicycle, etc. This is the diagram is a ball bearing. Ball bearing reduce the friction. What is fluid friction? You know that air is very light and thin, yet it exerts frictional force on object moving through. It is similarly water and other liquid exert force of friction when object move through them. In science, the common name of gases and liquid is fluid. So, we will define the fluid friction like this. The fluid exert force of friction on object in motion through them is called fluid friction. The frictional force exerted by fluid is also called a drag. Object moving in fluid must have a special shape. When a body moves through a fluid, it experiences an opposing force which tries to oppose its motion through the fluid. This opposing force is known as the drag force and fluid force. This frictional force depends on the shape of the body. By giving object a special shape, the force of friction acting on it can be minimized. Hence, it becomes easier for the body to move through the fluid. By giving a special shape, we minimize friction. In this diagram, similarity in shape of an aeroplane and a bird